Hello folks, I'm Digger Odell, and I'm here to do my very first YouTube production. I have a side tank for the Opal ice maker, and if you'll pan over and show them the Opal ice maker that we have. All right. And this is a side tank. It's an accessory or an option that you can purchase. And so we purchased it when we bought all of this together. I have decided that I am going to plumb it into a permanent water supply. So what I have done, first of all, it has an inverted tank gravity fed system into this well, and there's a tube that comes out the back of it that goes into the back of the actual unit over there that feeds additional water. I decided I didn't want to continue to fill this up over and over again, that I wanted to plumb it to have a permanent water supply. So what I did is I very carefully pried the top off of the side tank, and I've got it off there with the gravity fed tank. And so I decided the easiest way to do this was to actually plumb down in the bottom half of the tank that I purchased. And so as you can see, I have placed the float within the tank, and then I plumbed the water line from my filter underneath the sink to the bottom half of the tank. And what actually is pretty interesting is the lid that I took off of the top of the tank device on the Opal side tank actually fits perfectly down on the lower well, and that's all I need. I don't have to have the tank. The tank actually gets in the way, and really didn't work very well because I kept getting water over the side. So now the way it's set up, because the float shuts off right as it needs to, I never have to fill the water. It's automatic, and the water's filtered from a filter underneath the sink. I have a cutoff up here if I need it. I have a cutoff underneath the sink also if I need it. And I've got a constant source of water for the ice in the device. So I'll upload all this, and hopefully that will be of some help to you. The real benefit of doing it this way, as opposed to taking the actual unit apart, is, you know, the unit's well over $400. The side tank was $69, and if I were going to mess something up, I'd rather mess up the $69 device as opposed to messing up the actual unit, the Opal unit. So I would recommend, I really don't understand why Opal hasn't actually created or made a device so that it can be plumbed in. They could provide all of the parts that are necessary to do that and still charge close to what the side tank cost. And to me, that would be an obvious thing that they could do. You know, I've even considered the possibility of putting that together and trying to sell it myself, but I would have to charge more because the tanks alone are $69 plus tax. With that, I'll sign off, and good luck with it. If you have any questions, you can post them and I'll respond. Post them below the YouTube video. Thank you very much. Bye.